All right, we are out here today with Come on, what's your we out here fly fishing. Throwing some rod. I just caught one with a cold rod. We got Brooke turning down there with some keg roll down there too. We're out here fly fishing, and I just picked up Cole's jerkbait rod. He ain't catch nothing all morning, and I picked it up, caught one like second cast. Don't worry about it. I'm such a good fisherman. Cole's over here trying to cast a fly rod. He can't cast fly rod or shit. So we're gonna cut it back on if we catch him on fish. All right, bye. Just hooked up with the redfish. Just a small one. Just working it nice and slow. First fish, or second fish of the day for me. It's a little wet fish.
Wait, show him the spots.
Oh, he's a spotty.
Look at the other side.
He's only got 3 on the other side. Oh,
Yeah,
hey, it's a fish.
how are you working it?
Really slow. Like you made like 7 casts and I made 1. This thing's hard to get out, bro.
They got those bony mouths.
Real tough mouth.
They're not like sprouts.
Oh, there we go. Almost got it out. I got saltwater fish. They got real tough mouths. I can lip him, can I?
See him in water.
He's lively.
I thought he came off for a second.
No, he's just small. See if you can get this hook out, Cole. Like, it was a good hook set, though. Just gill him. You're gonna get it out with like 3 seconds. It's hard to get out, isn't it? There he is. Just pull. Here, let me hold it. No, Cole! I want to get a picture of him, bud. Just get a weight on him. Bye-bye. First saltwater fish today. It's a redfish, bro. Look out! It actually looked like a tarpon, Kate. He's actually got something. It's actually big. Oh my God, Cole.
It's pretty loose. It's not as big as it looks.
Yeah, it is. It's huge, Cole.
Chill, bro. Don't put your hand on the line.
I'm not gonna. Tighten back a little bit.
I can't. It's good.
It's not that big. Here.
Brooks, what you think about this?
It's pretty fun! What? Y'all ready to see a professional land job? Nothing's as good as my land of Brooks' fly red. He was way too deep in the water. Will, I was chest deep in the water. No, that's pretty big. Oh,
That's actually pretty big, Cole.
it's like a 25.
Oh, shit.
No! Ah, Cole just lost it.
What a loser.
Got him.
Should have tightened down on him, dude.
Brooks has got one, baby. Let's go. Let go. How's it going, Brooks, over here? Is he big?
Not really.
This actually,
Oh.
this red's actually not lucky stuff. The other red case though kind of lucky.
Mine is pretty hard.
This got him a really nice ring.
Oh, on the shrimp fly. Here, I'm ready. Oh.
That's not moving.
Hey, let him run out. There he goes.
Come on, fight.
Oh yeah, playing it live.
Got country music in the background. We're some real country folk out here in Savannah, Georgia. Slaying the reds on shrimp fly. Who's landing this beast from?
I'll get him.
That's fine. I don't need to land.
I got him with the GoPro though.
No, stop it. Stop that animal. Look how blue his tail is.
Oh, I know.
Oh.
I saw that from.
Here, let me land him. I got the GoPro on.
We can get some sick photos.
Let's go, baby!
Yeah!
Let's go!
That's not a bad one either.
Look at the shrimp fly right in the corner of his mouth. Alright.
Thumbnail question mark?
That's a 17.
That's bigger than
That's
17.
like 20.
It's like, yeah, 20.
No, alright, I gotta get some pictures. Okay, I'll take pictures. I got it.
We got video proof.
Let's go, baby. That's a sexy beast right there.
Here, hold on. Let's get the rod.
I gotta get the tail.
Here, Brooks, put the rod in your mouth.
Stop.
You look retarded. The fish is like, look at her. I got it.
Nice and bow.
Alright, good.
How do you open up a...
You gotta open it up.
We just found a redfish in a crab trap. How do we open it up, though?
Oh no, that's weird. You gotta look at it. Oh no,
How the hell is... How the hell do you open it?
should we just try pulling him out of this?
I could. He's bleeding at the mouth.
You open it right here.
Oh. Chill, bud.
Brooks to the
A red.
Captain Brooks to the rescue. Oh yeah!
Think of how long that thing's been in there.
Dude, oh shit, yeah. This one's
Right.
riding up pretty good.
No, Cade.
Probably very hungry.
There he goes. Bye, fishy. Cade, I swear to God, if he eats your fly. We did a good deed. No, I'm not a backwards. Okay, alright.
There,
Yeah.
Film, what do I click?
You don't
It's
click
on,
anything,
it's on.
It's filming
Oh.
right now. You don't press anything.
Go.
Almost came right up. Oh! We both got each other. I think you got me first. Ooh!
If I beat him, this is gonna be good for me.
Ooh, ice cream.
Oh my god, you just swung hard. Swag. Oh. These haters.
I got him first.
Alright, one more. Are you sure? I'm sure.
You feel me?
Oh, it's went black. Okay, it's going back. It's back.
You ready? Brooks.
I'm good, Brooks. Look.
This is my signature move.